Okay, I am making a filler for my collard greens. I'm going to be filling them up, and I've added, I'm sauteing with extra virgin olive oil and a little bit of Smart Balance. I mean, I just put a little bit of this, but it's mostly extra virgin olive oil, or you could use whatever oil you prefer to use. What you want to do is saute. I'm not using any butter at this time, and I have some stock over here that's boiling, and this is already partly cooked rice. And I sauteed the rice first for about until there were, you could tell the grains are a little bit light in color, and that's a basmati rice. You could use any kind of rice. You could use a jasmine. It's a brown rice that I found at a store that's quick. It's quick. It's easy to cook and steam up. And okay, and then let's see. Okay, and then I sauteed some carrots, some onions, a whole onion, and then I added a bell pepper, about a quarter of a bell pepper, and one carrot, and one stalk of celery. And then I'm going to be adding this liquid in there. Since it's already partly it's already parboiled, it's not going to, I mean, basically what you want to do is make a rice filling for your I'm going to be stuffing the collard greens. I do have one already that's I call it dolomas, and you blanch the leaves of the you blanch the leaves, and then you basically, we'll put some salt in there. You blanch the leaves, and then you you wrap. But I'm going to cook the rice so that it can cool down. I'm going to taste it. Oh, that's good. Okay. And then I'm going to add some 21 seasonings. It's going to be a nice flavor. If you want to add some tomatoes to that, you can. You just want to make sure that your rice is flavorful. Okay. And then I think that's it. I'm going to probably put just a little bit of cumin in there, because I like that cumin with rice in there. If you want to add some oregano, you can. I might add some oregano to it. And you want to add some other herbs, that's fine as well. And just gives it a nice Mediterranean flavor. Okay, I'm going to cover that up and bring it, I'm going to let it cook, and then I'll show you how to stuff those babies. Okay, talk to you soon.